How to download and install Binance app properly. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, locate Play Store app in your device and open it. Tap on this search icon and type Binance and press enter. Now this is the application with 100 million plus downloads. Tap on it. Press on install. Basically, Binance is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency platforms, serving millions of users globally. The platform offers a wide range of digital asset services, including crypto trading, investment tools, and blockchain-based financial products. Binance is widely recognized for its liquidity, extensive market offerings, and advanced trading infrastructure. Once downloaded, it will be shown in your apps. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.